Hello, good day. My name is Samara Margarita Lozano Sequeira. Personal information. Name Samara Margarita. Surname Lozano Sequeira. Age 19 years. Date of birth 17th 2001. Place of birth San Marcos Sucre. Phone number 13 715 6040 534. Email s54romero@gmail.com. Dedication. I am a boutique employee and I my afternoon scheduled. I have reinforcements. My mission. Finish my study. Although that results obtained over several years demonstrated my ability to learn in what involved to study and start out for being one of the better in society developing ever beat my life project. My mission. Be a successful person, show my counting of what now and what it can do for then succeed even more and feel proud of what it that it was my life for. This net society, giving necessary contribution of what the some company needs and face the problem, giving good solution. My home. I am a responsible, respectful person, proud of myself. I have a good attitude toward things. I was born in San Marcos Sucre of October 7, 2001. Life with my family in all my stages of life. I have different dreams, and now I have a dream that I want to fulfill. It to be a professional, to be graduated. What beautiful did I have to hear? In part, the values taught at home and in the school, as are my personality, respect for people, the responsibility of what one should affection, and love toward my loved ones, the ability to do things and creative dance. Thank you.